Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see how to set custom ringtone on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open Google Play Store. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app. Then tap on open. From here, tap on accept and continue and give this app this permission. Select allow. Then tap on the X icon. Now at the bottom of the screen, just select ringtones. From here, just select any ringtone music which you like. For example, I will select this one. Now to set this music as your custom ringtone, just tap on the download icon. Then select set ringtone. Then enable this toggle. After that, just go back and select set ringtone. Now as you can see, we have successfully set this music as our custom ringtone. Now to check if we have set it or not, just go to your home screen and open settings. Then tap on sounds and vibration. From here, just tap on ringtone. And as you can see, we have successfully set the selected music as our custom ringtone. Just like that. And this is how you can set custom ringtone on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.